Good day to all of you. This is Ali Majamiri Inyong, your friend, your nurse, your teacher, and now we will going to unbox the IWO 8 Plus that I ordered online, and it took 19 days for me to receive this one. But since my channel reached 101 subscribers, guys, with me to unbox this one. And yeah, thank you for those new subscribers who subscribe on my channel, and please keep on keep on sharing my video and like it. So here we go, guys. As you can see, it's still unwrapped, and we will begin to unwrap this one. And thank you. Yes, thank you for new subscribers. Thank you for the suggestion that you made. I know that my voice is not that clear, and yes, thank you for the concern. And please ask your friend to subscribe on my channel, please. I need more subscribers. Yes, wow. And anyway, IWO 8 Plus is a clone of iWatch series or Apple Watch series, so that's why I ordered this one, since I cannot afford the original. So this one, it's more affordable, 4 times more affordable than the original. Wow. So yes, wow. As you can see, this is the Apple Watch. So there is a tool wrap on it. The strap. So yes, and this one is separately. I ordered this one, so actually this is not part of this one. I ordered it separately. So yes, this is also a strap of this IWO, and wow, they gave me this one. So I didn't order this one, but they gave me this one. Well, thank you to the store who handled this product. He's a nice person, guys. He's always answering my question, though it took me 19 days to able to receive and then the charger as well. So yeah, I think you're going to charge it that way. And then the manual written on the English as well as in Chinese. Please remember to give me a positive feedback. Wow. Yes. Okay. So I think he's asking for a positive feedback. Yeah, it's positive because I was able to he's always answering my questions or my query. And there you have it, the manual written in Chinese and as well as in English. So yes, so this is the code that you're going to follow, I think. And then once you will going to scan it, it will bring you to a application store to download the application. Mickey Mouse. Yes, it's original. Yeah, the butterfly one. Oh, it's written in Chinese. Yes, and then clock seconds. Yeah, it's clock in seconds. And accordingly, it has a 9 faces rather. So this is the one that is always used by those. Oh, it's a really nice one. So wow, it's just the same as the original one. Wow. So swipe up. Let's do it. So I will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 faces. Wow, it's not again focusing. Wow. just like original, but original is more, obviously is more the screen is more wider, and at the same time clear, and yeah, it's AMOLED, I think, the original one. Yes guys, so yes, it's nice one. To put on the strap, this thing just like the original one, you can unstrap and strap it, and but yeah, wait, how this, okay, so it's only put on, and then the other one, so I guess it's like this. Oh, it's really hard to put compared to the original one. It's easy, but struggle is real, guys. Well, I think I need to turn it off first. Okay, it's beeping. Oh, it's really hard. Am I doing the right thing? Or is it like this? No. I think it's... Yes, there you have it, guys. So put it on. And yes, it's like really the original one. Yes guys, wow, nice on my hand. It's really nice. Wow. So I'm going to, wow guys, really nice on my hand. Wow. So if you slide it up, it will turn into home. As you slide it down, so on the menu you can, you will going back to the menu. So yes, we will see it. Okay. How's like if we are going to do it like, wait, does it? Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, it turns like that. Wow, nice guys. So hold on, I think hold to press hold and to change those. For example, this one, Mickey Mouse. I love Mickey Mouse, guys. Wow, it's really like the original one. Wow. However guys, this is just a little bit sneak peek or what, just para makita nyo lang guys. Yeah, it's not a test, but it's just something like unboxing para makita nyo lang guys if what is inside. So as you can see, going back to that videos, the straps within, inside of the box is the straps, the smartwatch itself, and at the same time this charger without only this one, without that one. Okay, and yes guys, that will be all. Thank you, bye. Good day to all of you. This is Olimar Jomiri Inyong saying please subscribe to my YouTube channel Olimarization and like my Facebook page Nurse and Teacher, and please like my videos, share it please. This is Olimar Jomiri Inyong, your friend, your teacher, your nurse, saying goodbye, bye bye.